Yes, are you all ready for our English class? Okay. So how was your paper? Hope your paper was very fine. Right? I think you have not faced any problem, and moving on to our reference to context of Tenali Rama was left. So we'll continue with reference to context of this chapter, right? So my first reference to context is question 1, that is, I will be back after 30 days.
Okay.
I will be back after 30 days for the answer. For the answer. Right. So this is my sentence, and who spoke these words and to whom? ये words किसने बोले और किसको बोले, right? So my question is, question number 1, who spoke these words and to whom? Right. किसने बोले, किसको बोले? So yes, recall the chapter. Who said these words? The merchant. The merchant said these words to the king. So these words were spoken to the king. Question number 2. What answer does the speaker refer to here? What answer does the speaker refer to here? That means, what was the answer that the speaker was referring? Speaker means the merchant, right? So what answer does the speaker refer to here? Yes, come on, complete your work. By the time, let's think over the answer. What can be the answer? Yes, shall we write the answer? Okay. So, the answer well, the speaker refers to the answer which he expects from the ministers about the difference among the dons. मतलब यहाँ पे जो बोला गया है, क्या बोला गया है? मैं 30 दिन बाद आता हूँ आंसर के लिए। अब ये आंसर क्या है? सो द स्पीकर रेफर्स टू द आंसर विच ही एक्सपेक्ट्स। स्पीकर यहाँ पे उस आंसर की बात कर रहा है जो आंसर कृष्ण देवराया के मिनिस्टर्स देने वाले हैं। और क्वेश्चन क्या है? डिफरेंस अमंग द 3 डॉल्स, राइट? सो द question and answer is very clear. Please complete your work. Waiting for you to complete your work. Yes children, what is written on the board? The sentence, I will be back after 30 days for the answer. Here in reference to context means किस संदर्भ में ये बातें बोली गई है, right? Who spoke these words and to whom? The merchant said these words to the king. What answer does the speaker refer to here? Speaker यानी जो उसने ये क्वेश्चन बोला है कि मैं 30 दिन बाद आऊँगा जवाब लेने के लिए, तो यहाँ पे कौन से जवाब की बात हो रही है? The speaker refers to the answer which he expects from the ministers about the difference among the 3 dolls, right? Now let's move on to question number 3. Right, now what is my next question? Who gave the answer to the question? Question number 3. Who gave the answer to the question? Who gave the answer to the question? Yes. Hope the answer is very clear and it is Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama gave the answer. Gave the answer. Finish. Now my next reference to context is, but there can be another explanation too, right? So second reference to context is, but there can be another two. Right? Now who is the speaker? Who spoke these words? But there can be another explanation too. Who is the speaker? Yes, who is the speaker? But there can be another explanation too. Yes, Tenali Rama is the speaker. explanation does the speaker refer to here? Now, what was the explanation? What explanation does the speaker refer to here? Answer. Yes, what will be my answer? Think over the answer. By the time, let others write down. Yes. Yes. Tenali Rama is referring to his explanation how each of the three dolls are different from the other two. Correct? Now, who gave the answer to the question? Tenali Rama gave the answer to the question, right? And now we come up with the second reference to context, that is, but there can be another explanation too. अब ये बात किसने बोली? So who is the speaker? Tenali Rama is the speaker. What explanation does the speaker refer to here? Explanation, speaker ने कौन सा explanation दिया? तेनाली रामा इज रेफरिंग टू हिज एक्सप्लेनेशन. उन्होंने अपने एक्सप्लेनेशन की बात की जहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया कि ईच ऑफ द डॉल्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर टू. ईच ऑफ द थ्री डॉल्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर टू, राइट? सो गिविंग यू सम टाइम टू कंप्लीट योर आंसर. Children, please write down in neat and clear writing. Soon your copies will be called for checking, so your work must be neat and clear. December month is over, only January month is left. February will be having our final exams, so you have to prepare accordingly for your final exam, right? Complete your work, complete your copies, and when your copies will be called for correction, give them on time so that I may check your copies, right? So, now only the last question is left of this chapter, that is question number 3. Right? My last question is, what were the different explanation that the speaker gives? Now this answer is a very big answer, so we can skip off this answer because it is a very long answer, and long answers you don't have to attempt in the online exam, so we will skip off this question, right? We can add another question, that is was Tenali Rama explanation correct? Yes. Yes, Tenali Rama wise answer was accepted by all. And here we come to an end of this chapter. Chapter number 10 is completed over here. In this chapter there is one more very interesting thing, that is the listening part. Listen to the passage and match the columns. So this is a very important part of the chapter over here, that is these are some books or passages which you can read and enjoy. It's written by great people. So the first is Jataka Tales. Who is the writer of Jataka Tales? Tales यानी कहानियाँ, Jataka कहानियाँ. So the wise goat and the wolf. In this you will find the story of Jataka Tales. The Panch Tantra. When we were small, we used to read this book quite a lot, and you can also look into the library for these books and read the stories of the Panch Tantra. They are very, very useful and meaningful, and they inspire us to be very, very good. So, the cunning hare and the witless lion. Here, this is a story of the Panch Tantra. Akbar. Who was Akbar? Akbar was one of the Navratnas in the court of. He was one of the Navratnas. Raja Krishna Chandra. Yes, Gopal Bhar. And King Krishna Dev Raya, he had Ashtadiggaj in his courts, right? So this was the very important part which you must know and practice it at home. It's very simple, no problem. Now moving on further. Yes, we have an exercise on page number 87 where you have to fill in with articles, right? So let's move on. This is the grammar part, and articles I have already done with you. May revise it once again. A and the. These are the three articles where a and an are indefinite and the is definite. Definite means the उसी की बात करते हैं जो डेफिनेट है, जिसके बारे में हमको पता है. वो जब हम वो डिस्कस करते हैं, वो चांद, वो तारे, वो आसमान, दैट इज फाइनल. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन to fill in the blanks with. Yes, fill in the blanks with a or an or the. Out of these three, any whichever is suitable you have to put in, right? Number one, my first sentence is, he is a dash in my office. He is dash engineer in my office. Engineer, E. E is a vowel, so here I am going to use an. He is an engineer in my office. Next is dash play I saw yesterday was very good. Dash play I saw yesterday was very good. अब यहाँ पे प्ले मतलब खेलना नहीं, प्ले मतलब नाटक. मैं किस नाटक की बात करें? जो मैंने कल देखा था. सो आई एम फाइनल, आई नो दैट कल जो प्ले देखा था वो बहुत अच्छा था. सो एक प्ले नहीं देखा मैंने क्या देखा था कल? द प्ले. ए और एन मतलब एक, यू कैन काउंट. लेकिन मैं किस प्ले की बात कर रही हूँ? जो मैंने कल देखा था वो प्ले. तो यहाँ पे आएगा द. राइट. नेक्स्ट, his dream of becoming dash painter came true. मतलब उसका सपना, उसने जो सपना देखा था एक पेंटर बनने का, क्या बोला मैंने? एक पेंटर. सो अ पेंटर केम ट्रू. वो इतने सारे पेंटर्स में से एक बंदा रहेगा. राइट. नेक्स्ट, इट इज डैश ऑनर टू वर्क विथ यू. इट इज डैश ऑनर to work with you. Yes, honor. What is my pronunciation? O. H is silent. It is an honor because O is a vowel, right? And the last sentence, dash Mona Lisa is beautiful. Dash Mona Lisa अब हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? मोनालिसा मतलब डेफिनेट है. दैट इज व्हाई आई विल यूज द मोनालिसा इज ब्यूटीफुल. ओके. So here we wind up with this class and this chapter is complete. Next, moving on to 11th chapter, that is Daddy is making dinner. Now see, everybody's house Papa makes dinner sometimes, yes, and in this poem also Daddy is making dinner, and you just go through this poem, read this poem and you will enjoy reading, because when Daddy is making dinner, what all work, what all chaos, what all chorus he does at home, you will come to know, you will read the poem and yes, you will enjoy it very much. So children, bye bye, all the best, stay safe, stay at home, start your studies, start preparing for your final exams, and okay, bye.